Hi, my name is Shantanu Mansarkar. I done my engineering and MBA in supply chain management and marketing. Also, I done my SAP SD certification from Seed Infotech. I got selected in Prime Memories Consulting Private Limited, and currently I am working as a SAP SD consultant. In the previous company, I have 2.5 years of experience in the manufacturing company. The company is basically in the packaging industry. So I have that manufacturing, I have that functionality. So I choose to do the SAP as I have a background of computer engineering. So it is a very great opportunity to enter into the IT industry. So I got a platform of SAP. So I choose to do this SAP from Seed. Also there are various competitors, but renowned name from I hear that from the Seed. That's why I taken admission in the Seed. Firstly, I'm in a dilemma situation to do the ILT course or OLT course. Regarding checking the condition, I choose to go with the OLT course from the Seed of 5 months, and the training started from May 2014. So initially from first 2 months, I used to do a job also and side by side doing this course also. But later on, I decided to concentrate on the SAP. So I left my job and after that, from last 3 months, I do concentration on the SAP and I study a lot. And it will because and in that period also the lectures happens regarding ASAP methodology. Also, Sushil sir arranges the guest lecture from SQL's team, Sadanand Deshpande, then their ILT faculty member Shiva, then Suresh Hegde sir. Also, the infrastructure of the seed is and the ambience is very good. Also, and also they held a mock interview and mock test for the each individual models. So it is helpful for us to how to give the exam and what types of questions are raised at the time of examination. Also at the time of examination, CEED provides books from the various modules and integration of the different modules. They provide us the books or the booklets also to study the integrated model of the SAP. Then also at the time of interview they arranges the one-to-one mentoring. Also the mock interview also they arranges for us with the senior faculties from the outside consultant. Also they held job fairs for us, and also at the time of job fairs I also selected in another company. So basically I had debate with Sushil sir to go with this profile or between choosing the profile also. But they guided me in such a well manner, and also Kiran madam guided me. Sushil sir, Pratna madam, and Kiran madam also helped me to choose my career and how to get your dream job and what will be your aim. They helped me a lot in the choosing career also in the job profile wise also. So I choose my career in the supporting industry in Prime Numerics. So I would like to thank to SEED that they provide me a very good platform to enter into the IT industry. So which is my dream, and also they stick their words like their tagline beyond the obvious, and they really meant for it.